Hi all, Renee here. Today I have for you a workshop your way called Something Fierce, and I'll show you in our new catalog where it is. It's a whole suite of new paper called Something Fierce. It is very kid friendly. There's a lot of dinosaurs and cactus and just some fun prints. Here's the different prints that you can get. I do have, today I am going to be doing the Workshop Your Way, which is this workshop right here. It comes with the paper pad and some sheet protectors, memory protectors. It comes with the complements, which are the stickers and the die cuts. It comes with some really cute puffy stickers and some white ribbon. Now this is very kid friendly, and my kid is going to be 29 this year, so not really going to be doing any scrapbooking for him probably. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some changes, and I'm going to de-dinosaur it, I guess you could say. So we'll see how that comes out. So you can see some of the changes I make along the way to show you that you can take these workshops and make them what you need. The Something Fierce also has a deluxe. I did not purchase the deluxe. The deluxe comes with some additional items, including a stamp set, and it has some different layouts. So feel free to take a look at that too if you're interested, and there's also some stamp sets that go along with the entire line. So one of the things I wanted to show you that comes with this particular kit is our white ribbon. And I really like having the white ribbon on hand because this is what you can do with it. You can take our alcohol markers, and let me get the case open, I'll show you. You can take our alcohol markers and let's say you wanted some purple ribbon instead. I just used my alcohol markers and colored it purple. Then here's the green, and then here's the red. And it doesn't make the ribbon hard or anything like that. Sometimes I'd used paint to make these, to change the colors, but it made the ribbon kind of hard and hard to tie into bows. This does not do that. So that's just a little tip I wanted to show you that you could do with this white ribbon. It's kind of nice if you have a small space like I do, not to have ribbons in every single color under the sun. You can just have a white one and then make it whatever color you need with our markers. You can also do that with any other kind of alcohol markers. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. We've got 3 layouts, 6 total pages today, and I will put on some music. I will speed things up for you using my same old supplies, my ATG gun, some Zig 2A glue, scissors, and my tweezers, my handy dandy T-ruler that I just love. These are really cheap. You can find them on Amazon. I'll link it for you below. And I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back at the end to talk about some things that I changed, and have fun. Okay, and there is the third layout. As you can see, I did change a few things. The original layout had you using the other side of this paper, which was very kid, so I wanted to make it more of an adult layout, so I flipped it over. Also at the top of this, it had Cutosaurus, so I cut that off, and I think that made it very much not a little kid layout. There are dinosaur tracks, very light on this paper. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I don't think it's something that anyone will really notice. So I just went ahead and left it and used that side of the paper. I think this layout was probably my favorite of all three. I really love this other side of the paper. It was really hard not to flip it over and use it. And you'll see here that really the only part of this paper that even shows is this little bit of polka dot. So if you were making this yourself, I could see where you could use just a white paper as your base and then cut this out. If you did want to do that, if you got this kit and you want to do that, this piece right here is 6 inches by 6.5. It would be really easy just to cut 6-inch by 6.5-inch square out of each one of these. It would mean you'd have to use both pieces, but that would save you some of that really nice brushstroke paper on the back. I really like the way this one came out, so I'm glad for that one. Now, the very first one, while I was making it, because it was very kid, there was a lot of dinosaur in this one. I did flip this paper over that had the dinosaurs on the other side. While I was making it, I started thinking about, okay, excuse me, this is very plain. What could I do to this? And the more I used it, the more I realized this would be a great layout for some pictures of my dog. So I think what I'm going to do is use either my Cricut cartridge and cut out some, grabbing something here, cut out some dogs, or we have a new set. It's part of our paper dolls. So you have some new paper dolls that come with their die cuts. I'm gonna grab all of them and show them to you. I wasn't planning to do this originally, so I wasn't prepared. There is a main. This is the main part of the paper dolls. It has the body, faces. It has some glasses, some just general underwear type clothing. Then we have a girl set, which has clothing and accessories for the girl, and then the boy set, which has clothing and accessories for the boy. But then what I started thinking was maybe I could use the pets, because this is the Paper Pal Pets is the name of the stamp set. So maybe I could cut out the dog, and then it also has the die that goes with it, and the ball, and maybe I could set this up for my dog, Peanut. I think that might be a really great way to use this layout. So, so don't be afraid. I just wanted to show you this one because don't be afraid to make changes to your layouts. Now, I also want to show you real quickly. This particular kit has a lot of leftovers. So we've got all these stickers left. We've got these puffy stickers left, and all these die cuts. A lot of die cuts. And not only that, but we have quite a bit of paper left. And this particular paper, I think would lend itself really good to kids' birthday cards. So I think what I'm going to do is use up the rest of all of this paper making some kids' birthday cards for a charity that I donate to. These were the cut-aparts. Here's the full sheet of cut-aparts. You saw me use some of them. There's one of the titles I used. This was a journaling spot. There's the Cutisaurus that I told you about, and I cut the Cutisaurus off the top. But the other side is really bright and happy. That could definitely be birthday cards. And I also have a lot of all these other papers. This is the one with the dinosaur tracks on it. There's the dinosaurs. That would be really cute for a card. And then this has some kid scribbles. So I'll make some cards with these, and if they turn out cute, I'll come back and I'll share them with you. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I hope you found something fun to do with your kits today. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. I will be more than happy to get back to you about that. Also in the description box, I will leave links to all of the products that I used today, as long as I can find them. And hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.